Oh, I just started off the video with a trade from GC. Sorry. Huh. So basically, it's Blue Skies AJ here, guys. This is the first video on my channel, and I want to do an information video, but this girl's in my den, and I think I'm gonna leave. Okay, I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go somewhere snazzy. I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go. No one goes to Neil. What? Why are there so many people here? That girl's playing. Oh my god. Literally, I'm gonna get a new membership today, guys. I'm pretty sure, and I'm like freaking out because yeah. So basically I'm gonna try to go to one. This girl just wants to trade her stuff for me socks, but I can't. Okay, I feel really bad, but I can't. Okay, I'm gonna go to this place. Why? Why is there so many people? Oh my god. Oh my god, that guy has a founder hat, and I'm gonna buddy them. Well, what does they have on trade? What does they have on trade? I'm gonna leave, and I'm gonna try to go to random. Oh, finally, no one's here. Sorry about that, guys. But welcome to the first video on my channel. This is not my main look. This is my cat look. My main look has been destroyed, so I guess I'll just use this look. So this is my main look. Hold on. This is my main look for right now, but it's gonna change. Like very soon, it's gonna change. But so basically, this is my new Animal Jam account, and I made it today, and I'm very happy about it. And yeah, like I said, yeah. But I'm just basically gonna tell you a little bit about myself. So my name is Blue Skies AJ, or you know, Wolfie, or Callie, or not Callie, or Catsmer. For some reason, my friends call me Catsmer, and it's weird. I can be known as anything you want, like Bluey, like Blue AJ, Sky AJ, Blue Skies AJ. I don't even know, but my real name is Harmony, and I'm not gonna tell you what school I go to, but it literally looks outside my window like we're gonna have a hurricane right now, and it's literally freezing outside. A tree literally fell down. It's that freezing, and I literally have a video of it, but I'm not gonna show you guys for some reason. It's not on my computer. But I recently got a new computer, and now I'm gonna start up Animal Jam videos again. I'm really happy about it. I'm using a very crappy recording website, and it's very bad. By the way, I don't say C-R-A-P, I say Cappy, so if it sounded like I said C-R-A-P, I'm not, I said Cappy. It's very Cappy, like, recording site, but I'm gonna be using a good recording site, like, really soon, so that's good, and, so, yeah, for some reason I'm a new jammer when I'm supposed to be Blue Skies AJ. But, yeah, I will buddy anyone. I literally love when people buddy me. I love it. She buddied me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This girl buddied me and I didn't know. Now I'm freaking out. Okay. Let's just create an animal because there's nothing else to talk about. And I'm getting a membership today, most likely. And I'm gonna be so happy because I get the spring bunny, and I love the spring bunny, and it's a spring bunny, and I'm just so happy. But while we're waiting for the spring bunny, I would really love to get this animal, but I can't. Thanks. Oh my god, I could get a llama? I've never known you could get a llama. Wait, did I know that? Am I just saying that? I don't even know. Wait, have I bought all of these animals? Oh my god. I don't even know. But, I will buy my first cheetah because I've never bought a cheetah, and I'm gonna buy a cheetah right now. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice game. Here, I'm gonna have... legit, brave, Rose. No. Legit, brave, legit Vaughn Puppy. I always use Vaughn for some reason. It's just like my name. I found it. Vaughn Swag. Where's S? I don't even know. Just gonna wait till we get to S, and then I'll be super happy because we got to S, and then after we get to S, I'll use S, and I'll be like, boom, 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 we got to S. And now I'm waiting for till we get to S, and it's super annoying because we're not at S yet. Where's S? I'm super annoying. Okay, never mind. B A V Y. What? Oh, legit Von Swag. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I'm dying. This is so cute. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a little sharpie. Okay, I need to stop, and I need to just actually make a look for this because I need to make a look, and I'm gonna see if my mouse actually is working. Is it working? Yeah, it is. Okay. Those glove hats, though. Which top hat should I wear? Should I even wear a top hat? I don't think they look very good on cheetahs, but yeah. Sorry, this will take me like an hour to find what I'm gonna wear, and that's very annoying of me. I'm sorry, I should just forget about what I'm wearing and just get on with the actual video. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this. Okay. I think the look is quite appealing. If you don't, okay. But if you do, yay, you like my look. I think it's rather beautiful. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this cheetah look. I think it's very appealing myself, but I'm dying. Okay. I will be right back, guys. See you guys in 1 second when I get my map.